Hello today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you this 349 LED fairy lights for outdoor use with a star on top. This is the Elktry 3.5 meter to 9 times of it Garlands. It's warm white model. It's also available in discolored. Okay, it is a warm white 8 modes Christmas lightning power timer waterproof Christmas tree lighting indoor and outdoor for Christmas trees for the garden or for big trees at your garden. No proper it, and of course for the balcony too. 349 diamonds LED Christmas light with 12-inch topper star with 8 flash modes. Combination in wave, sequential, slow glow, chasing flash, slow fade, twinkle flash, and steady on. In warm white, IP44 waterproof, ultra bright, 9 fixing boards included, 10 cable ties included, and 349 light emitted diodes included. There is a button on the adapter. We short press to choose the mode, and a long press, approximately 3 seconds, under the green light is on, then the timer is activated. The lights will 6 hours on and 18 hours off automatically. And memory function. The power supply has a memory function. After the power is turned off and the power is restored, it will restore the previous state. The length is 9 times 3.5 meter. These are 11.5 feet 9 times. The star size is 30 centimeter. These are 12 inches. The power cord is 5 meter. These are 16.4 feet. We are really cool with that fairy lights here. You can see it's easy to attach, easy to assemble, and then we are nearly ready to look what's going on in the dark with that awesome, wonderful fairy light device here. This is the essential Christmas decoration. The Elktry LED fairy lights are an ideal choice for decorating the Christmas tree, for example. The 349 lights beads with 9 hanging fairy lights and the starlight on the top makes our Christmas tree like a waterfall. Dispersion of 2.5 times larger, a light bead diamond design with hexagonal F8 diamond balls provides a more super bright and beautiful warm white light. The Christmas tree light with lights like a waterfall is very beautiful, as you can see here. And 1 minute quick installation. Unlike the normal one-line Christmas tree fairy lights, this integrated design allows us to easily reduce the effort, arrange the Christmas atmosphere, and spend more time with it. We can attach the starlight to the place we want to place by using the provided bandages, and then we fold the light chain around the light arrangement. Simply lay out, we can have fairy dream scenes. We enjoy the Christmas with safety, of course. Certified by CE with FAD, the waterproof coil protection design allows the light chain to glow outdoor during rain and snow, and it can also enjoy different Christmas atmosphere on snowy days. The configured timer can control the duration of the flashing. Although we forget to turn it off, it will automatically stop flashing to prevent the waste of energy caused by excessive flashing. And we have 8 modes with memory function. The Christmas light offers 8 modes to choose. The right settings for different emotions and occasions. The light chain has a memory function. When it is open again and switched on again, it automatically starts in the same mode. We press and hold the button for 3 seconds, and then when the green lights indicate the timer is on, 6 hours on, 18 hours off. The device stops in time to avoid unnecessary power resources. And this is more than Christmas. The LED light can chain not only brighten up our Christmas tree, but also suitable for other celebrations such as New Year parties and Carnival. Party atmosphere can also be created in daily life with the fairy lights. Also, at the children's birthday party, warm scenes are arranged with it's also a very good romantic decoration for marriage proposal, for example. If we are going to need a nice and good shining atmosphere, this is the right choice for it. Festive lighting is a much of a part of Advent as cooking and St. Nicholas. It makes our look forward to sitting comfortably under the tree with the whole family and reviewing the past year together. With this, we will find a larger selection of Christmas lights in various designs for indoor and outdoor use. Whenever we prefer something classic and simple or something more unusual, we can find the dream light at Elktry. The length is 9 times 3.5 meter. Star size is 30 centimeters. Paracord is 5 meter. The material is in PS and PVC. IP44 waterproof level, indoor and outdoor use. The working temperature is minus 10 degrees Celsius up to 50 degrees Celsius. This is our 14 degrees Fahrenheit up to 122. Input is US 120 volt, European Onion and UK 220 up to 240. Output is US 30 volt 6 watt and UK and Europe 31 volt 6 watt. Yeah, this is a really nice, really beautiful 349 LED diamond bead string lights with on top a Turbo. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel soon.